Welcome to Salenger, Kimmel Bavaro. I'm Jeff Kimmel, managing partner of the firm. We are New York trial lawyers. For over 35 years, we've been helping people injured in accidents. We handle significant complex cases like medical malpractice cases, those against doctors and hospitals, labor law cases, construction site accidents that happen, and also general personal injury cases like car accidents, motorcycle accidents, slip and fall cases, products liability cases, which are defective products. But we're not like most firms. We don't advertise on TV or on billboards. We don't have a jingle or a catchy 1-800 number. Most of our business comes from other lawyers, even lawyers who practice personal injury law. So why? Why would other lawyers, even those who do what we do, why would they send us their work? Well, two reasons. First, they know our reputation as good people and as tough trial lawyers. And number two, we get results. You're on our website. Check out the Testimonial section of our website and see what we've done and see the results for thousands of clients that we've represented over the years. What else makes us different? Well, we've created an entire video library of instructional and informational videos that will help our clients through the process. We get it. We know that the system can be very confusing. The legal process can be very intimidating to everybody. So these videos will help our clients be prepared for what's coming up and will help them know what to expect in the future. So what am I talking about? We cover topics like, what's my case worth? How is that figured out? Also, what are legal fees and how are those calculated? In addition, liens. What the heck is a lien? And how is that factored and how does that affect my case? We also have special subject videos to cover certain topics that may come up in your case that aren't so clear. For example, bankruptcy. What if I filed for bankruptcy before my case? What if I want to file for bankruptcy during my case? How will that affect my case? It will. So watch the video. Divorce. What happens if I got divorced before the case? What happens if I'm considering getting divorced in the middle of the case? How will that affect your case? It might. So you watch the video. Other topics include children and infants. If a case involves a child or an infant, what are the specific issues that come up relevant to that particular case? There's a video for that. Also, wrongful death. If somebody unfortunately passes away from someone else's negligence, whether it's a doctor or a motorcycle accident or a car accident, there are very specific issues relevant to wrongful death cases that will come up in your case. What are those? There's a video for that. In addition, we have case-specific videos, meaning if you have a car accident case, there are a lot of issues that will come up in your case that are very relevant and specific to car accident cases. We've prepared a video that includes many of the topics that will come up in your case. Also, every other kind of case, medical malpractice, there's a video on that. Slip and fall cases, there's a video on that. Even dog bite cases have special, unique issues that come up. We have a video on that. And check out the testimonial section of our website. So many of the thousands of people we've represented over the years have been gracious enough to write letters, emails, social media posts, reviews, thanking us for the work that we've done and, in some instances, for help changing their lives for the better. And these testimonials are not just from clients. We have testimonials from lawyers. Why? Well, my partner, Joe Bavaro, and I, and many lawyers in the firm, we often lecture other lawyers on how to handle personal injury and medical malpractice cases, all aspects of those kinds of cases. In fact, my partner, Joe Bavaro, is an adjunct professor at Hofstra Law School here on Long Island, where he teaches Fundamental Lawyering Skills to Law Students, a course that teaches law students, prospective lawyers, what it is to actually be a lawyer and to practice law. So we have testimonials from lawyers and law students thanking us for helping make them better lawyers. And I've recently written a book called What Lawyers Don't Know: How to Run a Business and Start Loving Life. Thanks for visiting our website. We know that the process can be confusing and you may have questions. If you do, just contact us. Call us, email us, whatever's easiest for you. And check out those videos. I'm sure that there's something in there that will be helpful to you and may even be a little entertaining. So thanks for watching. I'm Jeff Kimmel, and I'll see you in the next video. Consider us your family lawyers for all your legal needs. If we can't help you, we'll find someone who can. We have a large network of lawyers who we know and trust. Don't just call anyone. Contact us at 800-675-8556 or visit our website at www.sskblaw.com.